See, this is the jumping fish. Appetite is on. Too innocent, yeah.
Few of them are insurgency.
Hello, this is the morning catch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are going for camping. 5 of us, we are going for camping. So Easter, we are getting Easter holiday, so we are going to go out and refresh ourselves. Here we are getting ready. Hi, Sir Justin.
Hi, hello.
Are you excited?
Yeah, so much. Waiting for that. Waiting for this day.
Okay.
Alas,
Finally, we are going to make it. What about Sarah?
Hey, very much excited.
Okay.
Can't wait for latecomers.
We are waiting for the latecomers. Yeah. So still we are will be going and picking another guy from Kavanam, and still one of our colleagues is still yet to come. So we'll try to make more videos on the way also.
With this
So nice. This is from
Arunachal.
Arunachal. So those are watching from Arunachal. We are using Arunachal knife. So chalo, we are moving ahead in their camp. Hey!
Take this.
We just finished eating this. We are moving out.
Yeah, we're moving out to that.
One plate each. Let's begin. Hi, grown. Oh, now we are on our way. Look at us.
Gloomy weather.
Gloomy weather.
Came against the weather.
Yeah, energy booster. So we are excited even though the weather is not good. Sarangcha, do you want to say
Super
anything?
excited.
Super excited. 100%.
100%.
Okay.
105%.
But you are confused whether you are getting
Rice is inside or outside?
First side of the location is nice.
Chalo. Ooh, not even halfway. Oh, we are not even reaching half, I think, but still we are happy that the sun is coming up now. Sun is coming up. We are worried that there will not be there will not be sunlight. See, I'll show you this one. Yes. Hi. Come fast. See, very nice.
Yeah, sweating. Mina union hai kan ni. Cham ga ba khaise.
Cham chamba aikoise. Mina union na kangani. Red Bull ni.
Red Bull or MC. Whiskey.
That is why I'm taking video for pouring Red Bull na. Finally we reach. Hello, Sarangcha.
Hello.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm speechless.
Speechless. Is it breathtaking? So, are you excited to go inside the river?
Not excited yet.
Not excited yet, I know. He's not waterman. He's not Aquaman.
Water is not much.
Hey, if you fall your phone, gone, Sarangcha.
60,000 gone.
Aram da yango. tree leave do. We don't used to go barefoot, no? That is why. Hey,
What do you feel?
excited.
Excited?
Be careful, but leg.
Bro, main to ke?
Leg.
Ting bro, ichom ni yung camera da.
Complexion then, complexion eh. Oh, we just reached. I'll show you the. So this is the view. We are going to set up our tent there, where they're sitting down. See? It's the river. Chalo, we are taking rest as of now. How do you feel?
See water bottle see the
Hey, just see sing sing right now.
You ask the water afterwards.
Sir, Sangcha.
Hi.
Easy. Don't be. We just reached, so we are taking rest.
Yes, commander.
kundan dusu match pa natra
Ya bro. Sang ganing mi camera si sakhen pa jadum to ini.
Nang napjaba ini dah.
Nang pa jabai ra. Okay.
Makai tu ni kamera ni.
This one is camera. Oh. I'll take one picture. Okay. Hello. Hello campers. Barak campers.
where's your watermelon at least
You get now.
also you get sangta
Well, cooking, I almost
Hey.
ate half.
Hello. Kazaya.
Too many okay, will get virus.
Finally, we have set up our tent. Tent number 1 and number 2. So, I suggested. So we are going to dig a pond so that we can get fresh water for cooking. Hey, how do you want to do? So, digging a pond.
So started making fire here. Fireman. Enough. Feeling shy, yeah? Enough.
Small, let's stop. We start making fire. How you put? Wait, oh my god. No. So. Wow. Can you see? Oh, not balanced this side. No, let's adjust. Hello. Started cooking. How long it will last? This stove. This stove is used one. Hello. We're going to start preparing chicken.
I can't kapu do yaad hai ba. Chak. Cheng hay có bên nhà rồi. Hello.
I don't know this is 8K or what.
Put it there. Here. Sorry, the ginger one there inside now. Just this one. This one you level away. This one, like before. Yeah, that one. Everything this one only clean. I don't know. I wash it. This one. Our country, Indian country phone number code is +91 or what? Yeah, +91. Let's cook half. Huh? Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, okay. Nang Dito tahu ya na. Nungam ni na. Ni ada lagi nungam tadi. Tamu yang tanah ni. Tamu. Tamu saya tamu lah. Ada tamu. Woi koi, jangan pising. Sebab hari ni tamu tu hayu ni. Tamu. from them sugar. I give it. Yeah. Then okay. I'm just sugar. Kita this. Enough. Better little bit. Yeah. Let's see what this. Let's put you. You tahu itu. Sudah kita harus. Oh, bantu ini mana? Ini. Oh, tak bantu. Sedikit. Oh, ini tidak. Ada kayak itu tempat itu. Kita ada kau tahu internet. Hai. Ini tadi ada kemana ini? It's okay. Nah, dia tak ini. Boleh saya ini. Boleh saya. Boleh tomorrow. Fish. Fish. Early morning we'll go for fishing. They already put net. So tomorrow we'll go for fish. Let's see. Ini sa atas. Sa right, they have already put net. Let's check a lot. I will instruct you. The area.
Chalo, show me Sir Titus here. Show.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Kita Mose.
Barbecue. Sir Justin,
Hi.
hungry or not?
Yes, almost.
Almost hungry.
Almost hungry.
Okay.
Almost hungry.
Not hungry, but almost.
Almost hungry. Sir, the skin complexion is not bad, yeah?
Not bad.
Yeah. Still nice also.
Still shining now also.
Still shining.
One down.
Chicken. Chicken is going on.
Chicken tole, right?
Chicken. We are saving our lamb. We are using only one now for now.
See once more.
Fireman.
Firewalker.
Firecracker.
Finish or no copyright?
Wait. Wow.
Spark, this is happening.
Spark is sparkling.
Spark is sparkling. See this here. So right, you want this translate. Always sing like cousin brother. Actually her boyfriend. Don't take advantage in the name of cousin brother.
Again?
Don't take advantage in the name of cousin brother.
Okay.
Don't misuse in the name of cousin brother.
So who is that behind me?
Cannot speak.
Not speak copyright.
Speak copyright.
Chicken. Let's finish up.
Yeah, let's finish up chicken.
Tomorrow.
Chicken.
Finish.
Shut
Finish.
Sir Titus. Only this much. No, this much big and eating only this much, right?
Nice mega. Yeah. Nice. This what brothers laugh.
So good. So good. Thank you, Sir Mimi. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sir Angcha. Thank you, Sir Justin, for always making fun. And thank you, Sir Titus. This is just the beginning for us. We are going to eat more tomorrow. More better than this.
Well, but no calling.
No calling now. Well eating. Chalo. Pig. Well eating.
Which one, yeah?
Even me, I don't know. You sing once, no?
No, again. Yeah. We waiting for this one, sir. I will send the link. You forgot the song? No, I didn't forget that.
Please sing once, no? Yeah.
Let's sing.
Yeah. So this one also for sure copyright claim, I think.
What might you say you there?
No.
No, gospel song.
Gospel song.
Agree.
Lucky Bunny Prabhu Malemda
Wow.
Miyo'y saktam lawduna Chayna kaya su khang biki Chayna kaya su khang biki Miyo'y singbu kan binaba Miyo'y singbu kan binaba. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. More than this one original song, what? Okay, chalo.
We'll have Good Friday service from there.
Tomorrow fasting program.
Fasting program.
Yeah.
Special
So-
number from Serangta.
So 5 special number from
Consecutive 5 special number. Non-stop.
Non-stop special number.
And after that, in the middle of the song, sorry, Sustin and come. Let me also sing once again. Let me join.
Too lovely, yeah. Wait, together. Finish up, okay? Finish up. You have to finish up. No full. There is no full until you finish this one.
What do you say? My sentences. Otherwise, you use writing alone then. Just give up.
Oh, that is our place for trying clothes.
Come on, see, I'm cute.
Cute Aimandana. 3 Ultra.
Ultra.
So this is video. Now look there.
Can zoom. 1-2-3 kilometers.
This is iPhone 14 Plus.
iPhone 14. So chalo, celebrity. You are celebrating now. Celebrating now. Oh, hello. So we just went for fishing and came back. Let's see. Can you see the moon? Moon behind. Wow. Let's see how much fish. Alai. See? Frog. Snail also. This is for tonight catch. Hey, good night, what? These people.
Coming back from fishing.
Hello. So, Tundri. Trial.
Nga phaba lakre.
Oh, sorry. The
Nga su khar phang re ko.
fish.
Plastic.
No, you can't say. Just I. See, it's here we are.
Yang nga li kai no.
Ngandena.
Ah.
Nganda. Mya mai na. Ura. Hello. Now we are going to sleep. Fire is too good and don't want to go inside anymore. Hello everyone. So we are going to sleep now, sir. Sir Titus, how do you feel today? Are you satisfied?
Exhausted.
Hey. Hi. 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 Hello. Good night. Sharing photos and sleeping now. Good night. Hey, don't give outside. You can give this side down. Hello. Good night, everyone. Good night. Hello, good morning. Oh. Oh, it's already 4:45. I cannot open my eyes. Hello, good morning, people. Oh, this is the view. And hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning from Barak River. I haven't washed my face. No. Hello. This is our cave now. Finally, you can see the morning. Get up, get up. Hello. So I'll just show you around. It's very refreshing. Before I do wash up, I'll just show you the view. It's very clear, very nice. Sound of the river, the sound of the bird. Wow, so refreshing. Can you see? See? I'll show you here. So this is the river. The river is not that clear. Water is not that clear, but still. See? Oh wow. Hello. Now we're going to check out our net, fishing net. Very early, but still we have to go and check. Fire is still there. Good morning to good night. Still very early, 5:33 a.m. So we put our trap there, net. See here. Hello. Ngana chike tau kre. Ngana chike tau kre ba. Selawa. Wow, can you see it? See? This is the jumping fish. Not much, but still, for our morning meal will be sufficient. We are moving back now. Show them morning catch. Morning catch. Go. There. Not much, but still, we have some out there. Have some out there. It will be more than sufficient for the morning now. Koksiba family.
This is good for younger
sister. Contact. Energy con.
Let's take fern leaf, if we can get.
Fern dog will be aram si am legne. Hello. Good morning.
No response.
No response.
Bodyguards. Did you know?
Hey, not much. For today morning though. Chalo, just finished washing up. Hello, this is the morning catch. Yeah. We are boiling tea, getting ready. Tea, fish, everything ready. Hello, fish do you please keep tight over here. Tea with fish happening right now. So wow, this is good.
Hi, good
How
morning.
do you feel? Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I sleep well. I'm so happy.
And
I enjoying.
okay,
In morning with fresh
Fresh
morning
tea.
with fresh tea.
okay. I'll click this side again, you guys. Chalo. Hello, you come closer. You can keep side this one bottle. Those bottle, na.
Next year comes your
Come.
tea.
Yeah. Come closer. Chalo, cheers. So I hope you sleep well last night.
Fully energized. Nice
Yeah.
tea.
Fully.
Fully with
Biscuit full of
biscuit. Biscuit. Biscuity. Ini pantang ngamde.
Take it.
Nice view.
Nice view.
That for me.
Too much.
Not too sweet.
Okay. For me, that little bit.
You want more sweet?
More. It's okay for me.
Taking less sugar.
Chalo, we'll have tea. No time to take video. Bye bye. Chalo. Chalo, this is the fish.
We thank God.
Oh my god.
Today rice water is little less. Yes. But rice quality is different. Okay. Last night.
This is what we got.
Last night is with local more.
Let's see your fish.
Yeah. Let me.
Are you excited to eat fish?
Yeah, see, please take a video for me.
Hey,
Nice, yeah.
Get to eat.
Yeah, we'll see your plate also.
See, on this side.
I'm going to eat
Frog.
the frog.
Done.
The other side, see.
Yeah.
Oh.
Frog is holding ball. Chalo, Sir Justin. Frog. Time to eat frog. Here.
Frog is jumping.
Tight. Ready to eat earthworm.
This is called dieting.
Dieting.
Thank you.
Okay.
Everyone.
So I
Have a
don't eat
blessed
meat
day.
also.
Blessed Good Friday.
Blessed Good Friday.
Wishing you each and everyone. God bless.
Hello. Who eat this?
Go here.
Masyag yaw tayo dun eh.
Ay, am saba man ngano.
Masak
Andun eh. See? Fish also finished.
Discipline.
Good discipline.
This is Germany way of eating.
There's no copyright.
No copyright claim.
This is the
Because I'm-
was there, so.
No battery. Now very clear. Now we are going home. We are going to another
Another
place.
place. Another
So,
place for fishing.
That will be separate video.
amazing. I think that the place will be.
Let's hope and pray that we will. Let me not say.
Stay there. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye. We are set to go home.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Super excited. We are going to explore flora and fauna.
Okay. So for now we are going back. Barak, Barak camping is
First-
over now. First camping.
We reach there, Lyro, by foot and
Yeah.
go by auto. And after that, after reaching Maram Center, we'll go
Another.
another vehicle.
So that will be more interesting.
Interesting. Near this Nagaland border, there's also Barak River, but that river is will be very big.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, chalo.
Chalo.
So here, another one.
Hello.
Mr. Justin. Yours is best.
Already
Already.
ready to go to
Ready
another
to-
spot.
Another spot.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Maram
we
Barak
have to
camping
log in
is
now.
done.
So first campaign is done. We had a good time.
Okay.
So we had chicken, we had fish, we had frog,
Yeah.
and many things.
Frog is the best part, I think, for
Best
you.
part, I add the frog.
Yeah.
So very nice.
Very nice.
So I get energy. Already
Energy.
got some more energy.
Now you can jump. Still.
Like frog like this.
Like Kung Fu Hustle bed one, no?
Chalo, bye. I think I will not vlog anymore. No battery.
Where?
Hello guys.
Bye for now. See you in the next video.
Few of them are insurgency. Taliban group.
Taliban. We left AK-47, one sniper, and one bomb.
And one.
So we went to take back.
One guy is like Arambai Tango.
This one.
This is.
Not Angchang. Very cute. Another is Angchan. Another is cute. Hey, say hi.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
we are moving back.
We are cute boy, okay?
Cute boys. Cutie.
Number one, Titus.
Number two,
Boy, cutest boy.
cutest boy. Number two,
Boy. Love story happening.
love story happening from Barak River,
Titus. Followed by Tamo.
followed by Tamo.
Peter. Peter, cutest.
Angchan. Bye. No more battery.
So cute.
So, Sir Titus and Sir Michael is the best. Summer challenge. Is to be the. Bomb. Be careful. Blue bomb. That bomb is very precious.
So we're taking rest. Tired, exhausted. My eyes is
이노서 아니 토폼 내가. 아니 토프 참 플립 떠보도.
hi, Harry. Great. Everyone is busy with their own phone. I cannot open my eyes.
Too tired.
Too tired. Really. And here is the cutest.
This is Tamocha.
Tamochaw.
Good boy.
Nokbaga rasi layo.
Tamochaw di. Hujik di. Tamochaw mana oigni ne. Tamochaw is there. Our first Tamochaw. Tamoyai.
Tamoya ware.
Ni ai. Sina tachaw ra.
Tatong is na.
Sina ta. Tasna.
Taton.
Taton. Tayai. Tayai ma. Ai bani ya rồi nè. Taton.